I grew up looking at the niggas that be on the corner. I can't stop, cause if I stop, then I'ma disappoint them. Niggas hate, but I ain't worried, no, I ain't worried about them. My only goal is to keep courage and make it off the bottom. Oh, I was raised by the Chinese though, even though I ain't Chinese though. Right by the Irma Y in the corner store. Diamond girls guarantee you see all the hoes. I was raised where the thugs lay, where the little niggas die, but I'ma maintain. I'm okay, don't worry about me, I'm in God's hand. I just hope that the world understand who I am. And bitch, easy to talk about money, but it's harder to get it. They gon' hate me for my ambition. The only thing I worry about is how my grandma doing. I'm doing good, I'm staying healthy, now I'm making music. I'm gon' strive to success and I'ma try my best. I'm 14 and already thinking about death.